Hello students, welcome to the computer class. So previously we studied how to create an email ID. We have learned how to create an email ID. The next task is how to send an email. So today we are going to learn how to send an email. So first of all, here you can see this is my email account, and if you wish to send a new email, bring your pointer here to this plus sign. As you bring it here, you can see here it's written compose, means to create a new email. So just click upon it, and here comes a new box where you can write your emails. So the first thing that you have to do is to write the email ID of the person to whom you wish to send the email. So if you remember the email ID, just start typing. Suppose I want to send the email to SSVM Girdi. I just start typing SSVM. Once I started, I can see the email to whom I have to send. I'll just click upon it. It's already got there. Now the second step, suppose you wish to send somebody else, you wish to send the email to somebody else also, you can just start writing the next email ID, but here I am going to send only to this account only. Now the second work is to write the subject. Whatever the subject, what you are going to send, you can decide the subject by yourself. So here I am going to send the questions for the question paper for the computer quiz. So I will write it in the same way. Question paper of computer quiz. So this is the subject. Now after completing this, now you can start writing. Dear Vikas sir, please find the question paper for the computer quiz attached. So I have written the message. Now once the message is written, you can send the mail. But the main thing is that where is the question paper? So I will have to attach that question paper. So just see how to attach a file with your email ID. Here you can see a few icons. Just see this icon. It seems to be a paper clip. As I brought the pointer, you can see here it is written attach files, means this icon helps you to attach a file and send it along with your mail. So I'll click upon it. Once I clicked, I have got a new dialog box where I will tell which file is to be sent. You can simply write also here to find it out. COMP computer quiz class 8. I have got the file name, so I will simply click upon it. And if you are not able to find it out, you can just go through it. Where is it? You simply try to find it out and you will be able to get it. Quiz, QUIZ. there are a few files, quite tough to find it out, but if you click upon it and type the text, you can. So I'm looking for it. Yes, here it comes, Computer Quiz Class 8. So you can find that file just choosing here or simply writing and looking for it. So I have got the file to be sent. Now click upon open. Here it is written Khole, but if it is in English you will find it open. So open it, and now you can see the file has come. The file has got uploaded. Now you can simply send, press the button send, and this mail along with this file will go to the recipient. Now there is one more thing. Suppose you want to send it later, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So you can do that also. Here in this send button you find a little arrow. Just click upon it, and there is an option schedule send. Press upon it. As you press upon it, you will get a few options. Click upon whichever option suits you. Whichever option suits you, click upon it. So I wish to send it Monday morning at 23rd. Or you can pick up a date also from this calendar. Get the month or get the date. Whatever date you wish, simply choose it and click the button schedule send. Now I've scheduled it, and when the time comes, it will get sent by itself. So this is how we can create an email, how we can send it, how to attach a file, and how to schedule it. So these were the 3 things that I had to teach. I think all of you must have understood. So that's all for today. Thanks.